Insight turns your fragmented project data into one evidence-backed AI command center that tells you what's behind, why it's behind, and exactly what action to take next.
So we've loaded in Primavera P6, Procore, Oxblue security cameras so far, and that's going to allow us not only to track and record the daily progress, intelligently seeing the different elements of the site, seeing the security camera footage over time and tracking progress that way. But by coalescing all your different data sources and softwares, we also enable you to understand the deeper reasoning. Why is the project falling behind with evidence? So this dashboard gives you a fast daily catch-up. You can spend just a few minutes a day here. Where does each major area of the project stand? What is drifting? What is likely to happen next if the current pace holds? And for more detail, we can open up our Site AI Assistant and chat about its reasoning that gave rise to these alerts. So we're getting an alert about the podium. It's behind right now. I'm going to ask the assistant, I'm going to load in this to my assistant, and I'm going to ask it, how did you calculate +2 days? And it responds giving me sources, the image of the podium, how it changed over time, or lack thereof, and Procore documents, and whatever other evidence it found to come to that conclusion. The system has also already created a plan of recovery to get us back on track. It has done that based on the planned versus actual metrics. The system is also telling me why this fell off, because it tracks events, it tracks how the site changes over time, and it's thinking about what these events actually mean in relation to the rest of the project. It then takes that understanding and based on the schedule tells me how that is going to affect downstream tasks. Back to the main dashboard. Okay, we're also seeing that Tower A actually had a recovery. Let's find out more about that. So the system had found stagnation in the project based on the images. As you can see, March 15th, March 29th, April 6th, there's barely any progress in the tower. And so the system intelligently decided we need to create a recovery plan. We are not meeting the actual pace. And this came to the attention of the project manager through his dashboard. And after a month, we went back on track. Let's see what else should be brought to my attention. Okay, Tower C is 3.2 days behind schedule. Let me ask about that. Why is Tower C behind schedule? It's citing labor understaffing, plan 50 versus an actual 27. And we're getting that as evidence as well. Well, that's all fine, but the important thing is, what do we actually do with that information? We need to get in touch with the lead of that team, and the Insight platform will have recommended actions take based on the issue a click away, whether it's emailing or sending a Google form or whatever else the project manager needs to do. So Insight takes your fragmented project data into one evidence-backed AI command center, and it tells you what is behind, why, and what action to take next.